I printed corn, and I can't stop touching it. Flexi corn cob. Squishy. Bendy. Absolutely unnecessary. There's no practical reason for this. None. But every kernel flexes. The whole thing bends without breaking, and your hands will not leave it alone. Fun fact, that viral Corn Kid song? Over 1 billion views combined. People love corn. I don't make the rules. 11 hours to print. 4 plates. Worth every kernel. Squeeze it, twist it, roll it. The texture hits different. And here's the best part. You will have to explain this to everyone who sees it. You will have no explanation. Yellow is classic, but rainbow corn exists in real life, so go wild. Print corn, hold corn, be corn. Every layer matters, and so do you.